Assalamu alaikum. This is Mahmudul Hassan Imon, ID 19101098. Today I'm going to cover the Arduino coding part. First, I'll include a DST library, and for DST initialization, I'll select the DST pin 2 and DST type 11. Then, in void setup, I will start the serial monitor with a baud rate which is 9600, and for first serial output it will show DST final. Then in void loop I will select the delay to 500 which is 0.5 second. Then I will read the humidity and temperature. Temperature is in read in two unit, one is Fahrenheit and another is Celsius. Then I will check if the input is right or wrong. If the input is wrong, then it will show fail to read from DST sensor. Then I will compute the temperature, and after that I will print the temperature, and after that I will compile the code and just copy the inno.hex file and paste it in Proteus. Thank you.
Hello everyone, this is Jannatul Fajana Tondra. So we have built this data logger circuit. For this we have used Arduino, a TST11 sensor, a virtual terminal and a COM physical interface module. First of all, we have connected a 5 voltage power and a ground with the pin number 1 and the pin number 4 of our DST11 sensor. Then our pin number 2 of our DST11 sensor is connected with the pin number 2 of our Arduino. Here is a register which is connected to the pin number 2 and this power wire of this DST11 sensor. Then we have connected the pin number 1 of our Arduino with the pin number RXT with the virtual terminal. Then this wire is connected with the TXT pin of our COM physical interface module. And lastly, we have connected our pin number 0, which is RXT of our Arduino is connected with the RXT of our COM physical interface module. So we have uploaded our hex file in this Arduino. Then if we simulate this file, here in this virtual terminal, it is showing us our humidity and the temperature sensor. For this, we can also increase and decrease the humidity and temperature using these two buttons. So that's all. Thank you so much.
Alaikum. My name is Sadia Subhanaridi and my ID is 18301279. Today I am describing about front panel of our LabVIEW. Here is our table control, and this is a temperature slot, and this is a humidity slot. We can use a thermometer for measuring temperature and a gauge for measuring humidity. Next I will be discussing about block diagram. Firstly, we have a VISA resource name which is responsible for interfacing between Proteus and LabVIEW. We have to clear VISA. Then we have two VISA read which are here. A VISA read component. These are connected with our thermometer and humidity meter. We have two graphs of temperature and humidity. Data will come from VISA resource in string format. We have to convert them to integer. Secondly, we have an array builder. The first value of the array builder is data. Second value of the array builder is time. Third value is temperature, which is coming from VISA read. Fourth value of the array is humidity, and the rest of the values are our IDs. We insert our values into an array, and array will put them in a table. Whole process is running inside a while loop. We could delay at least 500 millisecond. Conditional terminal set to false, obviously. And finally, we have to reset the whole process, and error handler is also here to handle our errors. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Ridwan, ID 19101104. So this LabVIEW will show temperature and humidity. This is temperature thermometer and humidity table. So let's run it first. Now we will run the Proteus. In Proteus, this is the virtual meter is showing the data. Humidity is 80 and temperature is 27. Here the table is also showing temperature 27 and humidity 80. Now let's change it So humidity is, I am decreasing humidity to 78 and increasing the temperature to 29. Now let's check it on LabVIEW. It is also showing the temperature 29 and humidity is 78. So that's all from me. Thank you.